In this video of today, I will put you through on how to access the Excel and document file you have on your iPhone from your PC, and from there you can transfer it, a copy, to your PC. But that doesn't mean the one you have on your iPhone is not still there. Let's just get right into it. All right, the first step is to access the Files app of your iPhone. The document file or the Excel file is likely to be saved there. So let me tap on my Files app here. As it opens, I'm landed on my iPhone. Let me tap back to see other locations. Okay, you can see some locations here. We have a lot of locations here. I have on my iPhone, we have iCloud Drive, we have OneDrive because I installed OneDrive and Drive here. Okay, so we have a lot of locations, but that file is likely to be on my iPhone location. So let me tap there. Now let's start with documents. We're going to copy the document file. Okay, first let me use the search for extensions. So I will tap on the search and then type .docx. That's the extension for docs. All right, so this has filtered on all the documents files I have here. Okay, so let me work with this one named tech tips. All right, I will long press on it and then I will select copy. So do the same from your end depending on document file you want to access through your Windows 11 PC. Then I will tap on X to close this, then tap on X again here, and then I will go back. All right, I will tap on this back arrow. Now we want to place the file in the iCloud Drive so that from there we can access it from our PC. Now I'll tap on that iCloud Drive. Then this opens the folders I have on iCloud. I want to create a special folder for this. Okay, so I will tap on the three dots at the top right. Then I will select new folder. Let's call this from iPhone. Okay, from iPhone. After giving the folder a name, tap on the tick icon at the which is part of the keyboard. Okay, then this has been created, so wait for it to load. Okay, it has been uploaded. Then I will tap on that folder from my iPhone. Then long press on this empty space, any of the empty spaces here, and select paste. Okay, this document has been pasted here and is uploading. Okay, give it time for it to finish uploading here, and this is uploaded. All right, so let's get back to that on my iPhone location again. So I'll tap on back button, I will tap on back button again and select on my iPhone. Okay, then get to the Excel file we want to copy in this case. So let me use the search again. I'll tap there and then I will type .x. That's the extension. Okay, XL. That will filter down all the files that are Excel here, though the extension is not complete, but it works automatically. Okay, then get to the Excel file you want to copy in this case. Let me go with these KDP cells. Okay, I will long press on it, then I will select copy. All right, then I will close this by tapping on X. Then I will get back to see my locations, then tap on iCloud Drive. Okay, so now you can see the folder we created, which we named from iPhone. Tap on it. As it opens, long press on an empty space again and select paste. Now we have the document file and the Excel file here. Okay, so it's still uploading. The Excel is still uploading. Let's wait for it, and it's done. So now let's get to our Windows 11 laptop and access these files from there. All right, I'm back to the screen of my PC. So the first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit iCloud.com. Okay, you can see that iCloud.com. And once it opens, log in with your iCloud email address and your iCloud password. And here am I. I am on my page because I have logged in with the iCloud email address and the password. Now scroll down, we have drive section, and here we still have other options here. Okay, but our interest here is on drive. So click on this drive. Now, once you are here, you'll be shown some recent files on drive. Now, the next step you need to take is to click on browse. On this browse, you see some folders you have created on the drive, and look at what we named that from iPhone. So click on it. If you click on it once and it doesn't open, double click. And on double clicking, it has opened. So look at the two files here. This one is the document file. So I'll click on it once. Once I click on it once, you will see this download icon and other icons will be made available to be clicked. Initially, they were not clickable. So I'll click on download. So you do the same for the first file to be downloaded. You can see is downloaded. Okay, downloading in progress. So let's wait. And it has been downloaded. Then look at the second one. I'll click on this second file once, and then I will click on this download button as well for it to be downloaded into my PC. So it has been downloaded too. So let me click here to be sure. Okay, the two are downloaded. So I can get to the File Explorer of my PC and get to downloads to see them. So I'll click on File Explorer and now I'll click on downloads. And look at the two files here. So with this, you can access the files you have on your iPhone, document and Excel from your Windows 11 laptop. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.